Dear viewers, today I am going to show the dual converter fed AC-DC motor drive trainer kit developed by National-Infotech. So in this part we will discuss about the non-circulating mode, counterclockwise and clockwise direction speed control in the open loop mode. Okay, so first of all you can connect your motors. Okay, you can connect your motor. Okay, so here L1 is connected with the A meter. Okay, and positive side, negative side is connected, common point is connected with the armature positive, and negative of armature is connected to the L2. Field is connected here, field positive is connected to the F1 and field negative is connected to F2. Speed feedback you can connect here. Okay, and for the observation of gate pulses you can connect the DSO from here. Okay, now first of all you can turn on the system. Make sure your switch is non-circulating mode, your non-circulating mode. Okay, now turn on the system. Okay, first set to the open loop, set speed to the clockwise direction, maximum speed I have set here. Okay, and then press apply. Okay, then you can turn on the MCB first. Okay, so our speed is positive clockwise direction, so converter 1 is working, converter 2 is non-working, means your you can get the pulses for the converter 1 and you don't get the pulses for the converter 2. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so by pressing this button you can on the system. Okay, so you can see the gate pulses is applied for the converter 1 and gate pulses is not applied for the converter 2. Okay, and also you can see the speed of motor is working with the positive direction. Okay, and you can also observe the current. Okay, so here 0.2 ampere is there. Okay, and it is open loop mode. Here you can see non-circulating mode, open loop. Speed, reference speed is 1100 rpm clockwise direction and actual speed is 11. Okay, now we have applied the load to 1 ampere up to the 1.1 ampere. We can apply the load. Okay, so you can see I have applied the load. Okay, so my current is continuously increasing. Okay, so you can see here my gate pulses and my speed is decreasing because it is working in the open loop mode. Okay, so you can see I have applied the 1 ampere current and my speed is getting low. Okay, my gate pulses. Okay, when I am release the load, it is reached to the 1100 rpm. Okay, so this is the clockwise direction. Now we have turned off this system and set speed to the counterclockwise direction. So press this center button. Okay, to adjust the speed. So now you can vary the port to adjust your speed to the counterclockwise direction. Okay, now press the enter button. Okay, now in the counterclockwise direction, converter 1 is getting no pulse and converter 2 get the control pulse. Okay, so by pressing this button you can start your system. Okay, so when I am pressing this button, my system is started. Okay, and you can see converter 1 is not getting the pulses and converter 2 is get the control pulse. Okay, so it is try to maintain it reference speed, but it is in open loop mode, so it is not track actual speed with when I am applying the load. So your current, you can see your current is at negative. Okay, so now I have applied the load. I am applying the load and you can see speed is continuously decreasing. Okay, I am applying the load to 1 ampere. Okay, you can see my speed is continuously decreased, okay, when I am applying the 1 ampere load. Okay, now when I am release the load, it will again try to reach at reference speed, okay, because it is working with the open loop mode. Now we have toggled this to the closed loop mode and see the performance. Okay, so first of all you can press the stop button, and you can toggle by pressing this button, and you can toggle this to the closed loop mode. Okay, so you can see closed loop mode, set the speed to counterclockwise direction. Now at full speed we will perform. Okay, now press enter again. Okay, then turn on the system. So you can see now our system is working with the closed loop. Okay, so first of all we can get to reach the reference speed, then we can apply the load. Okay, so you can see counterclockwise, so no pulses for the converter 1 and pulses for the converter 2. Now we can apply the load up to the 1 ampere. Okay, I have applied the load up to the 1 ampere, and you can see it is continuously track the reference speed to 1100 rpm, and also you can see the gate pulses here. Okay, so likewise this you can perform the non-circulating mode counterclockwise direction in the closed loop system. Now you can release the load first, then turn off the system and adjust speed to the clockwise direction. Okay, clockwise direction, enter, set mode to the closed loop and press enter. Okay, so you can see it is rotating at clockwise direction, and you can get the pulses for the converter 1. In converter 2 you don't get the pulses. Okay, and your current is 0.2 ampere. Okay, when I am applying the load up to the 1 ampere, I have applied the load and it is try to maintain at the reference speed. Okay, so you can see this try to maintain at the reference speed. Okay, so this is now this is the full working of the dual converter fed AC/DC motor drive with the non-circulating mode with open loop and closed loop control. Okay, in the next video we will discuss about the circulating mode and check its performance. Thank you.